go in here and turn right. I need you to turn left, because I think there are guys here on the left.
Watch out in front of you.
Acquired.
Yeah, I see him.
New target acquired.
You say you want me to turn left on this?
No,
bro?
no. Let's do it. Let's do it.
shit.
Turn right. That's fine. Guys, I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Let's go.
New target acquired.
Wow, that fucking Stormcrow just 1v1'd me. Okay,
Target destroyed.
Don't worry, I got him.
thank you. Keep going, dude. 1D is a lot for them to go through, I guess. I don't know. I don't feel like I did anything, but... Guys, stay group. Fight in India 8. We shouldn't be fucking around with the one timber out in the water, guys. Get with our assault in India 8, please. These guys aren't focusing.
Target acquired.
I'm lagging so hard. What the
Heat
fuck?
level critical.
India.
Target destroyed.
I don't know. These guys are fucking missing. They're just like all over the
Why
place.
did I launch so hard? The
Guys, please group up. Hotel 8, India 8.
New
Shouldn't be all the way
target
I
fucking...
have a locust poking me behind, and I can't do shit about it.
New
Then get with the
target
team. They'll help you.
I'm trying to, but I'm getting shot from behind,
Heat
trying to
level
catch up.
critical. Target destroyed. New target acquired.
I just want to tell this guy, like, your mech twist. You know that, right? Like,
I want to talk about the Orion right now that's firing all of his SRMs at 500 meters. Hey Orion, your SRMs are not hitting the target, by the way. They're at 500 meters. Your things hit at 270 meters. You're wasting your ammunition, Orion.
Granite.
Granite. Oh,
Target.
It's a trial. He's probably brand fucking new.
New target
H
acquired.
fucking hell. Like literally watched him fire 6 fucking.
I don't even know how we were
plus
fucking, like,
outputs.
how did we win that, dude? I didn't do anything
Our
at all.
fucking Orion should be fucking sucking dick right now in the sky.
He is sucking dick, dude.
Fucking so angry. This game is so angry.
Marlon, you need to just putt, dude. Just go putt. Go play golf, dude.
Part of how we won that is the littlest, bravest direwolf took off 6 components. Or,
Yeah.
well, took off 6 shoulders.
I'm glad they weren't looking at you because you did work. The rest of us were getting shot to shit. You and Hydra. Marlon and I were just sitting crying sad because I got 1v1 by a fucking Stormcrow.
The 12 small pulse Stormcrow is like
It's
mad
nasty.
as fuck.
Yeah, it's a monster.
Right now.
Good job, Hydra. Thanks to the carry. Fuck. Morlon. No. Look at our lance. Like the Atlases. Please have mercy. That